Hey there, welcome back to Mathics Lab. Have you ever felt confused or stuck while dividing numbers? Well, guess what? Today we're going to break it down step by step, and I'll show you how division is actually way easier than it seems. Ready? Let's go. What is division? Division is just splitting something into equal parts. Imagine you have 12 slices of pizza, and you want to share them with 3 friends. How many slices does each person get? That's division. Here's how we do it. The number 12 is the total pizza slices, and 3 is how many people we're sharing with. So, we'll divide 12 by 3, and we get 4 slices per person. Let's talk about the symbols we use in division. The division sign looks like this. It's like a long line with dots on top and bottom. The number on the left, 12, is called the dividend. The number on the right, 3, is called the divisor. The answer we get after dividing is called the quotient. All right, let's try a simple problem. 24 divided by 4. First, we'll set it up like this. 24 divided by 4. Step 2. Start dividing. Now ask yourself, how many times does 4 fit into 24? Well, let's count. 4 goes into 24 6 times. So the quotient is 6, meaning 24 divided by 4 equals 6. Let's talk about a mistake many students make, trying to divide numbers that are too big for their times tables. For example, 23 divided by 4. Remember, when you're dividing, always check your multiplication tables to make sure you have the right number. Now, let's do a few more problems together. 30 divided by 5 equals... Think about how many times 5 fits into 30. Yep, that's 6 times. So 30 divided by 5 equals 6. 56 divided by 8 equals... How many times does 8 fit into 56? That's 7 times. So 56 divided by 8 equals 7. Great job, you did awesome today. Remember, division is all about practice, and the more you work with it, the easier it gets. Keep practicing these steps, and soon, division will be a piece of cake or pizza. Before you go, make sure to like this video if you learned something new and subscribe for more fun math lessons. And if you're ready to tackle harder problems, check out our next video. Until next time, keep up the awesome work.